iPhone X and up series have serious problem on Face ID. You got a message like unable to active Face ID on this iPhone. Some users have accidentally faced Face ID not available issues after a screen replacement. For these cases, Apple have released some solution on the official website. However, this solution only fixes after related defect. This cannot solve the problem anymore. If the problem was hardware, we already make a brief video on that topic. You can check it out from below description. You have to disconnect battery first while doing any hardware job or disassembling the iPhone. Otherwise, dot projector module on the iPhone might be damaged by statical energy produced by our body. The reason for that problem is that the FPC or flex accidentally damaged while iPhone is dropped. This iPhone is dropped on and the frame on the LCD also out. iPhone have so complex module to operate Face ID function. These are the visible parts of our LCD is that the FPC is broken too. This FPC works for ear speaker and also important role on Face ID function, the flood illuminator, proximity sensor and ambient light sensor on it. Flood illuminator, proximity sensor and ambient light sensor on it. Here we are using new flex that you can only for ear speaker, but for Face ID you have to transplant the flood illuminator and proximity sensor module because Apple encrypt these and that cannot be changed with new one. The flex is also risk on it. If high temperature on it, the flex might bond. So you are using our own trick. That is safest one method or you can use preheater. For this job, hot air gun is risky one. Clean flakes and use low temperature solder paste and make the ball. Put the flood illuminator with the help of iron. The same process for proximity sensor too. After transplant, both, let's check it. The message previous shows is not showing and the Face ID is work like normal. The Face ID works like normal. These are above all the process that you can fix unable to active Face ID on iPhone. If that stuff is helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to support us. Press bell so you never miss an important update on future. Hello everyone, this is Akash from the GSM Solution and peace out till the next time.